Annyeong, K-drama lovers and Game Republic PH입니다. Hey, hi, Nuna or Uni here speaking. It depends though. If it's for boy, it's Nuna. If it's for the girls, it's Uni. Okay, so going back, I would just like to thank everyone for continuously watching and supporting my two YouTube channels. That is Game Republic PH and this one, which is K-drama lovers. Okay, so as I said, October was really better, but November was the best. So this gives me a motivation and inspiration to work even harder to give you the best content that I can make and upload. So kahit di ako masyadong madalas na maka-update for content, you're still there pa rin. So to all those who thinks that life stops and it's done and it's finished, no, it's not. Actually, to be honest, our life just started and it's getting better every day. Yun lang. So hope everybody just enjoy watching all my contents on both channels, please. And that's it. Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Daghang salamat, everyone. Ingat ka lahat. What else? Yeah, just enjoy all my contents, watching all my contents. And may God bless you. Bye you. Bye. Bye you. Kulit. Thanks. You can just follow and share, then leave your comment. Bye bye. Bye.